here we have cabbage. I think I'm doing this the right way. Cabbage. It's in this barrel. So we're gonna take the cabbage. Take all. There's green apples. Okay, take all. So we have green apples and cabbage. Now we need leeks. And I'm growing leeks in here, I think. Oh, here we go. Leeks. 2 leeks added. Okay, so check it out. So, cutting out the music, I have the ingredients for apple cabbage stew. Food. Oh, I need red apple. Oh, here's red apples. Red apple. Red apple. Okay, and there's cabbage in there. Look at that giant potato. Wow. Wow. So here's my apple cabbage stew. It weighs 0.5. Its value is 8. And it restores 15 points of stamina, restores 10 points of health, and restores 380 points of hunger. This is what I look like with my Nordic stuff. And he looks like that with his Nordic stuff. We're a match made in heaven. We're doing this one. We've got our 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 leek, half a green cabbage, thyme, chicken broth, and 1 or 2 apples. This is apple cabbage stew from Skyrim's official cookbook. I don't remember the last time I prepared leeks. There we go. So I'm gonna have all this extra leek. No! Light green and white. I'm gonna need more white. It says 1 leek, but if it says white part only, we're gonna do more. If you see some ants, then it's not my fault. I can't keep them from coming in. That's just what they do. But let's put these off to the side. And let's core and dice our apples too. Yeah. Okay, and then we need thyme. I wish I had more thyme. Fresh thyme is what I'm using. All right. Nice. Best pot I got, because I'm about to put 6 cups of water and broth and stuff. So I feel like this is the best. It's a large one. It's a pretty large stock pot. Am I recording? Yeah. Okay, it looks like some pieces are browning. So just shy of browning, it says add your cabbage. It says add half a cabbage. I don't know if this is half or a whole. Looks to me like a half of the cabbage. And I think I need more butter. Of broth. That's 6. And apples.
No man can hold what the darkness can sow. Gonna leave
That's
an
it.
ugly
let that stew
Tongues like
cook down
horns,
for about 15 minutes. Let it
violently
simmer.
born.
So,
Oh, soft dead wake, alive in love, hark the hangman's daughter. Naked we worship the night
simple.
sky.
cabbage stew. My apples have lost their color.
A man can hold what the darkness can sow. Gonna leave an ugly skull when you go. Gonna leave an ugly skull when you go. Gonna leave an ugly skull when you go.
Hi. I figured I'd do one more thing and let you guys know how it tastes. Here comes Monty. But I already tasted it. I went ahead and added some salt and pepper. And it's really, really hot. It tastes like apples and cabbage and leeks. It's very simple, it's good food, and it's healthy for you. Cheers. Fuzro da! Bye. I'm gonna use this clip of me talking to make my video about apple cabbage stew that I made at home out of the Skyrim book. You'll see. There's no cats tonight. It's time for us to go to bed. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my stream. I hope you enjoyed my cookbook. I hope you enjoyed my cooking show with my obsession with Skyrim.